Chairman ka 16 Finance Commission Arvin Panagaria ulale menjengo ya ka Khasi Heritage Village barban yukjat barban dwai pusan halau kentang. Yo Arvin la senalang du Chief Executive Member ka KHDC ba penyacing siem Chairman ka KHDC ba Lampang Bela ki Executive Member ka KHDC lembat kiwei pat kinong secara senong badang ta siem ka himamo plang. Arvin ulai ke jingero ya ka KHDC bad ya ka hima ka balala ban penitnat bad ban pene pensa ya ki saudang sokon jong kan ke jaka ba sisien ka sengi un sawan menyalam lang ya ki kon ki kiti bad ban le jingo ka ru ban tip shu sepang kan ke jaka bar ban jingo ru ya ka sora.
In January this year, in January we hosted this meeting.
Yes, very explain on behalf of the people of Mawplang, the chief of Imam Mawplang, and the Ventry, and also the CM of the Khasi September District Council, as well as the tourism department. This place that we are standing is called the Khasi Heritage Village, where there is a wisdom and the foresighted of the District Council along with Imam Mawplang, where they want to conserve the traditions of the people of Mawplang. Because this location is facing the famous sacred grove, where it has been properly demarcated, sanctified, and also they invoke the deities to take care of the grove. It has been standing through test of time for more than 800 years. So the deities here in the grove is in the form of a leopard and a snake. So these are taking care, they are as the custodian of the grove and the people of Mawplang. Nothing is allowed to take anything from this grove. We don't even take the leaves because it is regarded sacred, and this has been also been testified by many findings that has been happening to people who sometime by mistake take something from the forest where they got the wrath of the deities and are being punished. So this sacred grove, not only Mawplang has been protecting the sacred grove through test of time, as I said, and we stand as the leaders in conservation. We have been able to being validated for the first Red Plus project in India and Asia. So Mawplang as a leader, through these leaders of the 10 Hima, the traditional heads, we have been taking this forward. And not just that, the Hima of Mawplang is taking the full custody of the grove since he is the chief and also the Ventries, because there is a time that people of Mawplang, they want to do away with the grove. But one man, I belong to the direct descent of the grove, one man named Kun Ling Do, he said, who dares to take away the clothes of my mother? One tree fell, one head will shove off. So the Ling Do intervened. That means the chief intervened and said, if it is like this, then it's better that the Hima take care of this. So under the Hima of Mawplang, we have the Ling Do and 4 Ventries, and also we have about 23 villages. So these Hima, actually before they were called states, through the instrument of accession.
And after that, after independence, we got this 6 schedules, and under 6 schedule, we create a district council, a regional council, and this district council play a very important role, especially in India and other tribal states, and we make laws, we frame regulation to protect our rich culture, practices, traditions of our people. And one of the main thing is that we bring an act which regulate the functions and powers of all the local governance, like from village level to the subordinate, like we have the ilakas. So we function a lot. And like these sacred forests, in almost 54 ilakas, we have one, sir. Which
at least one.
Otherwise,
there are about 210 sacred grove only in the east, Khasi and then the hills. And Mawplang has been champion in this, and we introduced tourism as well. The tourism department is here. So we got the best tourism village nearly last on the 27th. He along went there to receive the awards. So let's give a round of applause for Mahima Mawplang.
little bit, sir, please. Since you've asked why it's a sacred forest, there's rituals which are taking place in the past. Rituals are taking place from the Jima side, and even the coronation of the link of the chief. There is a specific place where that is done.
Yeah, we'll take you there, sir.
The sacred place, the significance of it being a sacred forest also, like Mr. Kapur had mentioned. So that small additional information why it's sacred is because the rituals of the kingdom used to take place inside the fortress.
There are 5 things like the rituals and the taboos. There are certain taboos that cannot be done inside. It is much of all not written, but at least it's customary taboos. And besides that, also we have this house more than 450 tree species, including herbs.
Trees.
Yeah, 3 species. So this is what we have inside the group. So yeah. Baba. I think so. Only told that this place is we hold the Monolith Festival every year, where we showcase all the culture and tradition.
That you had some 2 lakh people.
Yeah, more than that.
This are here, sir. Going to do this.
Hectare, and it houses about 453 species. So that, and also it is yeah, sir, let me tell you, we have to bow to the Almighty, and we also request the deities to bless us, because this is legacy and also a tradition of the Khasi people, that when we sanctify the sacred grove, it means that it should protect its own people and the people of the state, including you, sir. So we ask for permission from Riko Basa, Laubentan, Maflang, should be able to bless her and his contingent, the 16th Finance Commission of the Government of India, including the CM of the State Council, Linda of Maflang, and all of us.
So since you've come, my request is just to
we'll just take one photograph, sir. Hanging, you see, let me meditate a bit. Let's meditate. Let meditate. All of you meditate, please.
It was a fantastic visit. I love Meghalaya, and hopefully one day I get to bring my children. And we also visited Cherrapunji or Sora, and that was a spectacular visit. So this was just lovely, lovely. My favorite state now. Thank you, sir. Recommendation to Government of India will mean nothing. The central government does its own, you see. So what we do as the commission is something different. We divide the taxes between the center and states and among the states. That's what we do. But the grants come from the government, central government.
Nakaliang dringi sa isir pagi soban kupau jin ai kuplay kaptar ni siap lawan cover ika kubor ba kapang mentar sini halon ka jinwan yuk kejat jong honorable chairman but key members jong 16 Finance Commission hang ni po Khasi Heritage Village Moplang nakaliang ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kumba ki lai ba kla tip meningkasi nilayo punya kenduk kumka isi berkawai ia kajimwan juga Finance Commission hangi ko Shillong Temenin ngila ya dan lut barok lai teliki EDC Mekok Meghalaya. Kebakentup ya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council, bat ni ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Habang ya keren pat ya ka Jingwan jong ka 16 Finance Commission mentau nu senem arja pusau bani kendo ingi. Kat tu kat ni kimat ki bakong san bah ka bangi pensngo syaka 16 Finance Commission ba kan bu jing tho lem lani kan recommend lem syaka sarkar India syaka Ministry of Finance ba habede ba kan ki proposal ki jongi lani jing ajimot jongi kidon kumba sau santeli kimat bakong san ba kawai kade habede ba kan ka overall developmental initiative lani kita ki kini ki jing mangkarpang jungi banwara ka roi kapar haka council hibro kawai ni ha council ni don arp hundai teli constituency but habaro arp hundai teli constituency lingba ka jing mangkarpang namta kani ka sans number 1 ni labu ka jing kerpat syaka 16 Finance Commission berakum no ban recommend ngi kumba sans pa krur habide baka development ni ka roi kapar khamtam habide kishnong ban shnai yung darbar shnong ban shnai kini ki jaka jungok kai pokishnong ban shnai ki school ki college nang ta ki jaka ai training jaka ajing hikai te ban shna ruwat ka sports habide ki madan yelek kai yung ki khna pair kani ka kentup lang hakani ka sanspa krun te kabaar pat kamat kabakong san bha kalong habide ba kani construction of town and rural markets kani ka jingpen he ka jungi ka jingpen klein jungi yaki yo ki hat hima lene yaki yo ki hat jong ka district council namar ngi sungthu bakom ka district council kan poi ka por bangin namla ban syupan pisasa na central government in hab ban initiate ikinunu ki projects ki jongi bangin la ban yang halaka jong kajat nang ni shikmat te kumban syuang no ngin hab ban create ikiniki council assets ke jingmentoi ka babun ka ban mi nang ni kum habedip kayo di kawe ka bangibu ikayo do akhmat kum kayo hima nang takum kayo mau phalang nang takum kayo nongston nang takum kayo bernihat kayo light lingkot te kayo moring keneng kibun kiyo kiba kongsan bha ke ba yadei bat kahima bat ka council ni kwa ba ya kaniru ka benta mangkerpang nakaliang jong ka finance ministry lingba ka recommendation jong ka 16 Finance Commission ka bangila bu kumba khandai phupra crore habede bat kanika shispa arpo crore habede bat kanika jingtei kini kiyo ki hat hima bat kiyo ki hat joki district council kani kan long shibenta kajing plelat nakamta ka revenue lane ka khajna ka bangin yo ya ka council bangin la ban yang halaga jong kejat ban pentulun hikam ki babun man kasngi te ka baar pat kan long ru kajing mentoi wat yiki nong yo nong hat nani ki nong khayi ki ban mentoi nakani ka jingmang karpang lingbaka finance ministry ladangi la ban penklan yiki yo ki hat le se ka yo ka kot jungi kan klan lada ka klan ka yo ka kot se ka rihi ka state hi ka jela hi berkuai kan kiyo te habede kata wat ki nong khayiru kin yadon bentang ne wat kan pen klain ru wat ki nong rap to ka balai pat ka ba kongsan ka bangibu habede bat kan ka jing mangkar pangga jungi ka di ka arts culture and ecotourism kan iru di ka wei ka sektor ne ka mat ka ba kongsan bangi pen sngo ya ka 16 Finance Commission bakat ni ka spa mariang ka bangi ladon nilayo hari hasi ngin penan kam ya kani kum ka wei nakalat ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot jungi ka council bat ka baar kum ka wei nakalat ban kentiu ya kayo kam yo jam kena samlabam dan kam dan jam pet menta pilai i mentat niwan hapo mau plang da ki pongut ki tourist guide kila don ha kila tip kila nang kila start la tip lut ban batai ki aka one tourist kiki yo dah ka bainong nomor ba ki tourist ki ko atip ke ka ba ka long kaman hapo mo plang kila batai lut baki te pi takadaw na kalyang jungi ni ong banbu habedi ka jingmang kerpang ya ka arts and culture but ecotourism kumba arts pa kror hakin kisan snam kamut akum nom nongin la ban penlut sau pho kror hakisnam ban don shushu kini ki jaka jongok kai jongki it ki hima jongka jong council ka bangila let's say ban kam penlut hakini ki jaka ban pen internet ban pen wandor ban biang ka jaka bam ka ban biang ka jaka jungok kai yaki turis ki bawan na ni po jala Meghalaya dan ni na ri India dan ni wat na bari kumju ars pa kror kamde ka baduna ka blabun ha namta ka sansiap te lingba kani ka san ars pa kror ni thumu bandon ya ka khasi heritage village Haman ki district headquarter Haman ki district headquarter kindon yakini ki khasi heritage village ka bomut kumenta kandon ka wei sa hari boy khnang ba nang thina them ri boy habai de ba kinno ki kinhun ba dan sap ka arts and culture ha ba dan sap ka riti ka dustul ka shat ka masti ka shet ka tiu ka bam ka di kinwan lut hang tu but hakabai day but ka eastern west khasi hills badang shumit mai hangni ru ngin la ban bu kawai khasi heritage village hapo west khasi hills nongstoin but hapo southwest hapo mokarwan te hakabai day but ka basau pat nakaliang jungi ngila bu jingmang kerpang nakamta ka KHDC office Haman ki district headquarter kaniru ka bangi kwa ban penklan ni ka jingtrai kam jong ka district council Haman ki district headquarter dan nomor kumalong menta baro kibre shuan lut baro asilong ban pendap ikam tengi kwa ba syari boy ka headquarter kan deh nongpo kibreu kibanat temri boy kinam dan kam shu ban kiu shulong kin pendap kam hakano kanu ka benta ban register jaka ne ban yo professional tax la ne ban pendap iki court cases kibabun kin pendap bitang hapo headquarter district headquarter kan jaru shinong stoin kumjo kan jaru west kasil southwest kan jaru Mairang eastern west kita di kejung temu jungi ban klan ki tanat trikam jongka district council hakini ki sansnem tenganget skam bakini ki jing persyang di jungi kan long ka aka ban mentoi ki pai ba bat ya kari hibro kowe ding ba ka jing don jongka district council te kaba khaddu pat kaba kham he kaba jet kade kaba ngiwan ra ban propose shaka 16 finance commission lingba jongka habi de ka solid waste management haki jaka sor haki urban areas but ki rural areas hajaka nong kendong dan barat ni bu ya ka jingmang habi din pelut ya ka ni namta sansnem kalong sauspa nyokror na PE menta kari jungi kala itenat lepas stang bengin lek khoi stang ngin sumar bah ya ka ni kari jungi ngai finpe saudong sokun la itenat la ithiang finpe haki wei par kiri ki bangla poi Shabari India ki promote tourism baru khai kilong man-made sudah ya ki basushnaladhi sudah kilong artificial shani pat long baru khai kilong natural kata de jinge pher shani ngi don kam tang ban preserve ban yada ban lek khui but la biang kata ngila yo kamai then rei om bakum shawai ki ri pat ki hap banda invest de ki spa de ki hajar crore ban yo tourism ban kringi ki nongwan pai kai neni ban chungok kai perthai ringi hangni don kam le tak man sumar te habidip kani solid waste management ngin perlut kumba south spa new crore hakini ki sans number 1 te khamtam ban don shushu kini ki resource recovery center Haman ki jaka khamtam kumenta ngila persyang ban wanra hakini ki jaka bakhambun pai ba neni ki jaka yo ni ki shnong ki bakham he ki bla longkup ki town ni ki nong ba te kum hakini ngila persyang banwara ini ka resource recovery center kaniru ngin yatrilang bat ki shnong bat ki hima bat khamtam ru wat ya ka jingdon jong ki self help group ru kan ya ha kan banlong ka jing mentoi ha ka yok ka kot nam ta jong ki ru namar lingba kini ki self help group ka resource recovery center ka bamut long ba kin yok ban pen kha bisa na ka jing lumi ki nyut jungi kumba pitip ba ki district council hapo Meghalaya leni hapo ri India leni ha north east baro ki siu ya ki tulop jung ki nongtre ki jung ki employees tang da ka bayo lingba ka shares on major but minor minerals hapdeng ka state ba ka district council te da kum nom ka KHDC ka yo tang na ka baya bayo royalty habidip kan ka shares hapdeng ka sarkar jilla but sarkar ba ka district council ngi kenya yo doyong ngi yo komba 100% na kasispa te bot doyong ru mde ba bala light luit menta takadaw mdan jingyo na doyong te ngiyo bun hi de tang na motion minus but niki boulders te kani baro khai kapoy da kumno hakashisnam but naka motor vehicles ru ngiyo kumban 20% nakashispa ngiyo kumba arpusan hadu lai pokror hakashisnam nakamtaban siu tulop yaki nok trajuni te kidon ru ki own revenue ki jongi ki bangi yo khajna dalade kum ka professional tax neki registration fees neki jaka ki building permission neki NOC kini gitai license trading license fees ba kiwe na pokot ru ngiyo te kini bar khait ru kapoi kum ta khatsan arpu kror habai de bakashisnam bijing dan kamjungi tedengi kain da kumno no san kror takum makalong menta ka jing lut ka jongi hakat council hakashisnam takum nom non re pokror takum no ngin la ban pendap ya kata ka badunas pokror ni hab ban yang hala ka jong kejat ban generate ya ka revenue kambun na kini ki we project ki wangla pensno mentat te ka ba kham kong san hang ne ngila pensno ya ka 16 finance commission ban ILM ka recommendation ka ba khamlong special nam ta jongi hakabai dei bat ka jingmang kerpang pisana ka Sarkar India lingbak finance ministry lingbak ka head jongka revenue deficit budget grant kani ka head ka mang kerpang hari India tang nam ta kitu ki state dan ki institution constitutionally kibala dan haka constitution yaki nuki tanat rekam lada kimla bansiu tulop namar bakadan ke deficit haka revenue ke jongki kan mang nakataka budget grant te nakal yang jungi ngilapan kumba kumno ka jinglut jungi san pound repokro ngilapan kumba shispa kror haka shisnam naka revenue budget grant banang kampen klanyi kita nak rekam jongka district council kaba arpat ngilapan kerpang ban sanction kumba lai hajar teli ki post mai hakabi dei bat kajing pen klan ke jongi hakishnong ki thau lingba kajing don jongki ni ki town and village police force ki jongi kamut ka tanat rekam kumangi don menta ke enforcement kan long kumju henry kini pat ki enforcement ki jongi ki constable kin don haman ki shnong ki ban yarap e kishnong nama kumbalong mentang don kumbalai hajar tam teli ki shnong da kumno no iwe in yo kam akawe ke shnong ban yarap e kishnong bat bandan jinga dei ka bajan bus council te nak pedang kini ki lai hajar teli ki pos batmai ngi thmu ba ladaka recommend ka 16 finance commission ngi mangkum ba marshiliang se khatsan spa namta ki kinthai ba khatsan spa namta ki shinrang te kani kan long shibenta ban yarap kani ka wan haka head joka ilaka administration ban yarap kerpang namta ki shnong habi de bat ban yakhun ki no ki jing komenta ngi crunch phang ILP jingwan room kharthap jongki bariu banabar teng haka bor shnong le se ka shnong le rong ba shnong de badan jing seum de bayo tulop ka hi seng samla seng long komeru menta empat yo jing thu shen kin sayo te lingba kata ka jing trai kam jongi ka bangin don de ki bariu jong ka an se kan yarap wat bante la kamot ka jing sneu jong drops kumangi i menta te kini ki ba ki initiative ne ki sinjam ki bathmai ki bangi shimkum ka isi menta kerman skam baka 16 finance commission kan sngap but katkum gaji kran menta pro but 16 but honorable chairman menta hamo plang do ula yaro bha ye gajing trai kam jungi khamtam ban penne pensa kiriti to store te kani ngi so baka don kerman nam taki edc long positive bha sutunat bha bagi ke bakila wan kila jngo kila I dalam kajong khmat long kata he ke ban pen ko ngo yaki habai dei bakani kajing wan ban sngap ka nongrem ka bangidan ban wan rai ni proposal fair nam taka 16 finance commission